This is our insulation project. I'm Will, that's Jerry, and we named it Mutilated Stuffed Animal because Cookie Monster's dead.
Oh my.
Alright, so the criteria constraints is basically just make it environmental friendly, and then this project, we had to heat up a box and then make a lid for it, and then we put the lid on, and then we heat it up for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes we turn the heat off, so it starts to cool down, and then we see which box contains the most energy or the most heat after 40 minutes.
Construction. I sacrificed a stuffed animal for this thing and I'm not sad at all. It was fun ripping the stuffing out of that piece of crap. And yeah, this is what it ended up looking. The stuffed animal stuff is in between the cardboard and the tape.
So our design was we made out of cardboard, Gorilla Tape, and then the stuffed animal stuffings, sweatshirt materials, tinfoil, and hot glue, which you can see. This is our final outcome.
Alright, so the internal temperature when we started was 22.8 degrees Celsius. We reached a maximum heat of 71.5 degrees Celsius and the final internal temperature of 42.5 after it cooled down. And our external temperature didn't really increase that much. We went from 22.8 to 27 and then back down to 25.6 degrees Celsius.
So our final calculations was the difference between the max internal and max external temperatures was about 44.5 degrees Celsius.
Okay. What was your guys's?
And
You didn't have that displayed.
725.
Okay.
and then so within the box we had a positive energy, so MCAT, so our equation. So we had the mass and then the heat constant and then the temperature difference, which we end up with 199.67 joules. And then the negative change in energy, which is what was lost. And then we had a negative one, so it's negative 118.9. So overall, the net energy retained within it, we had to add the positive change in energy to the negative, which we end up with 80.77 joules. And then we turn that to a ratio, to a percentage, then we retain about 40.5% within the box.
40.5%. That's way better than 27.
26.65.
No, it's way even more better than that.
Yeah, you said you turned up.
Thank you for listening to
Is
our
that
So
it?
listening to a TED Talk, yes.
Wow. Okay.
Why'd you hit me? Come on.